here we have some questions we require to solve by using numerical methods. Our question asks us to find the roots of the following using Newton's Raphson. We have first questions and the second question. Okay, let's start by facing first question. Well, we have 3 cubic minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay.
So first of all, we should prepare the table of value, which will help us to find or to get the value of y. So let's assume that x is equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So after getting the value of x, you substitute those value of x to the our function. So when we substitute the value of x is equal to -3, you will get that.
Okay, after finding the table of value by using that equation, so we required to, in order to find the value of x1, we needed to look values of y which are nearest to 0. In that table of value we see we have -3 and 13, so that we take that -2 because we -3 because it was nearest to 0, and not that 13 because it was too far to 0. Yeah.
So the value of x1 is equal to 2. And so in order to get the x2, the formula said that x2 is equal to x1 minus the function of our equation, which is given is the function of the x1 over the first derivative of that function, which is first derivative of our name. So first of all, we find the first derivative of our function. So dy dx of our function is equal to 3x square minus 3, which is 2 minus our function, which is x cube, which x is equal to 2, so is 2 cube minus 3 x, which is 2, minus 5 over first derivative of our function, which is 3x square minus 3, so is 3, x is equal to 2 square minus 3. So after substitute those values, you get that x2 is to those. After substitute the value of x, you get x2 is equal to 2.3333. So you approximate in 4 decimal place, which is 2.
Okay, after getting the value of x2, we will continue to find the value of x3 and x4 until we get the same value of x, which maybe can occur in x3 and x4, which will get the same values. Yeah.
x3 is equal to x2 minus our function, which is x. So our function will change. So
okay, after finding the value of x3, we get 2.2805 because we use the same formula of which we use to find the x2, and also we find the x4 and x5. So from the idea which we was introduced above, we say that the answer we will get after the same value repeat from one x and another x, which means x4 and x5. So our answer will be 2.2790. So that the root is 2.270790, which is our answer.